महाप्रभु इतने सुंदर सुंदर हरिकथा श्रवण कराया, जिस कथा भी सुन करके सभी लोग मुक्त थे। काल इस कथा में श्रवण करके यद्यपि ये लोग श्री संप्रदाय के दीक्षित थे, किंतु महाप्रभु की ऐसे सुंदर राधा कृष्ण की प्रेम सांस्कृतिक की कथा श्रवण करके वे लोग राधा कृष्ण की उपासना आदि करते। और फिर उन्होंने प्रबोधानंद सरस्वती उन्हें कितने सुंदर मधुर ग्रंथा भी रचना की। वृंदावन शतकम, नवद्वीप शतकम, राधा और सुधानिधि, चैतन्य चंद्रामृत ग्रंथ, संगीत माधव, आश्चर्य रास प्रबंध,
लाइट नहीं है क्या?
श्रुति स्तुति दक्षा, रामजी गायत्री दक्षा, गीत गोविंद टीका और
Where is transmitter? She's not well, I think.
विशेष करके
She is not well today.
और फिर उन्होंने क्या की, वृंदावन में आकर के काजी धर के रिकॉर्ड पर उन्होंने सुनी थी। और उन्होंने भजन किया कहाँ का, वृंदावन के कमरों में।
Hare Krishna. So we were hearing about the Prabodhan Saraswati path yesterday. So still we are continuing hearing the same thing about. So when Mahaprabhu was visiting in Sri Rangam after 4 months Chaturmas, so we were describing that like. So have you gone to Charan Pahadi? What you have seen there? So you have seen the beautiful footprints of Krishna's. It is in the Kamevan. There is a Charan Pahadi and the footprints of Krishna is there. People cannot believe. So all the people used to say that is all are the fictitious things. When Krishna played the flute and the stones melted. When Krishna played the flute, stones melted. It is the proof. There is not only one footprints. There are many places like Chodi what? छोटी चरण पहाड़ी, बड़ी चरण पहाड़ी, मोटी चरण पहाड़ी, लंबी चरण पहाड़ी, there are many kinds of चरण पहाड़ी there. So when Krishna used to play the flute, everybody is stunned there. Everybody is stunned. Everything is stunned. Even stones are melted. So even today you will see the footprints of Krishna's there. Just like we used to walk on the mud, so our footprints always there whenever we walk on the mud or the wet soil. So we have seen our footprints there. When in the same way when Krishna was playing the flute, so what happens? The stones melted there. So in the Srimad Bhagavatam, Srila Sukadeva Goswami Pad, he is describing about the Venu Git. Yes, please sit. Why not? No, I don't. You sit then I will get help now. So hearing the flute sound, hearing the sound of flutes, everything becomes stunned. So the things which are not moving, they stunned, and the things which are not the things that are moving, that become stunned, and the things which are not moving anywhere, they becomes moving. They started moving. So this is the glory of the Krishna's flute. Krishna was staying in the Krishna was staying in the Braj, and there are four qualities: Rupa Madhurya, Leela Madhurya, Fira Madhurya, and Venu Madhurya. So these all are the qualities of Krishna, special qualities of Krishna. There are no other incarnation have these qualities. Even Narayan don't have these kinds of qualities. So that's why the three brothers used to serve Lakshmi Narayan. They were initiated with Shri Sampradaya, and when they heard the glories of Krishna like that, especially when they heard the glories of Prema Madhurya of Krishna's, so they attracted towards him. They heard that Krishna, Swam Bhagwan, Brahma and other devtas who would like to bow down again and again in their feet and does the stutis, forgetting that they are feet of dust of his feet. Brahma and other devtas, they are doing so much hard austerities. Shivji he stayed there in the form of Nandishwar Parvat, Nandagaon in the Nandishwar Parvat he is taking form, and Brahma he is taking the form of in Varsana Brahma Parvat. And the same Parbrahma Krishna, how he is rolling down on the feet of Radhaji. Ismaral Garam Khandam Mamishir Simandam Deha Pada Pallavadara. So how beautifully Jayadev Goswami Pad is describing. Even he was not able to write the last line Dehi Pada Pallavam Udar like this. Why? Because his hand was shivering. So he was thinking as Bhagwan himself, how Radhaji can put her feet on his head. So he was thinking like that. That's why Smaral Garal Khandanam Mam Shri Mandanam Dehi Padapallavam Udaram. So Krishna himself, he got the form of Jayadev Goswami, and he came into his house and complete the sentence. So he wrote the Geet Govindam. So why I am saying, so Mahaprabhu himself, beautiful, fresh Hari Katha, they have listened to them. Hey Lakshmi, please put your, Narayan never say like this. Hey Lakshmi, please put your feet on my head. Even Ramchand cannot say this. He is so much in the dignity. He is so much in limitation, because he is called the Maryada Purushottam. So it is not possible. Even Dwarkadish and Mathuradish Krishna, only Vraje Nandan Sham Sundar, who is called the Rashik Shekhar, Dheer Lalit Nayak, only he has this quality. 64 Char Dheer Lalit Nayak have four qualities: Navar Yavanin Chacha, Nishintata, Priya Vashibhuta, Parihas Patu. So these all are the four qualities of Dheer Lalit Nayak. So these all are given example in the Ujjwal Nirmani by Srila Rupa Goswami Pad. And the same Krishna, how he is performing the Leelas. So Krishna has a beautiful qualities. It is not possible in any other incarnation. So he is just doing the family relationship. He has developed, Krishna has developed the family relationship with the Brajvasis. He went in the Javat with Radha. Radhaji said to him, please put some Mahavar, Alta on my feet, red color on my feet. That's why its name become Javat. So under the Bhat Vraksh, under the banyan tree, Krishna put the Alta on her feet. That's why that place name became Javat. Bhat means tree, Ja means under the tree. When Krishna saw the feet of Radhaji, he was so much surprised, he was so much astonished that time. So he just took the brush for putting the color on her feet, and when he started putting the color on her feet, especially at the time of marriage, the ladies used to put this kinds of color, alta, which is called alta. Maybe it is in foreign country they are doing this or not, but it is happened in India. So when Krishna was starting to putting that alta in her feet, when he saw the beautiful feet of Srimati Radharani, he was so much stunned, he was surprised, and the time was spending. And seeing that, Radhaji said, "Hey, you are the cow herding boy." So after cow herding the cow, his wisdom become like a cow. He is just like a foolish man. He is behaving like a foolish. How he can do like this? He cannot put the color on my feet. So Radhaji indicated to Rati Manjari, and what Rati Manjari did by his left hand. So he indicated her elbow, and what are you doing, man? Do something. So why are you seeing the feet of Radharani? Like this. So the Krishna was trying to putting the alta on her feet, so that alta he put it on her head. When the alta was on his head, so he was thinking himself so much fortunate. Oh, I have got this color of the feet of Radharani. And Jayadeva Goswami Pad written so much further that. So he was describing so much Leela, for the Leela. When that color Krishna put it on his chest, so he is saying, "Oh, whatever the affection, anurag I had inside my heart, now it has come out." So now Radhaji put her stamp on my chest, just like whenever you published any book. So when you put the stamp on the book, so it never goes away. When maybe you can wash it from the water, it will not go away. In the same way, so Krishna is saying, so Radhaji today accept me as her dasi. How beautiful, how is this? She has accepted me as her dasi. So Jayadeva Goswami Pad, he has described so nicely. So whatever the anurag I have inside my heart, now it has come out. Actually it is manifested now externally. As I was here reading the bhajan rasa in the morning, why Krishna put the pitambar? Hey Gopi, my pitambar is a yellow color, and your complexion is also golden, the Pitwan. So that's why I have put on the yellow color, because I had the complexion, the same complexion you have inside my heart. But actually, so that's why just putting the pitambar, I am expressing that. So what is the meaning here actually? So Radha Krishna is one form. So Antar Krishna Bahir Gaura means internally he is Krishna and externally he is Gaura. So internally he is same Krishna, same Gaura. So there is Radha Krishna, there is no difference. First he is Gaura, first he is Krishna. Eko aham dutyo nasti. It is mentioned in the Upanishad, Eko aham bahusvyami. Who is that one? Krishna or Gaur? You have to tell me. Who is Krishna or Gaur? He is one. He is the Gaur Sundar. Then he became two, Radha and Krishna. Then he became one. First he was one, two and one. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. Antar Krishna, internally Krishna and externally Gaura. So Radha Krishna is one form. There is no difference between Radha and Krishna.
शक्ति शक्ति मानो दर अभेद
Shaktar Shaktarman Atar Aveda. There is no difference between Shakti and Shaktiman. So Radha Krishna, one form, just presenting the Leela, performing the Leela, they has taken two forms. That's why it is saying, the Jeev Goswami Path is saying, who is first, Krishna or Gaur Sundar? So it's not possible to describe who is first, because he is Leela Purushottam, he is performing Leela. It is very nice described. So that's why it is saying, why I have put on the Pitambar on my body, because you have the golden complexion. So whatever the anurag I have in my heart, so I had that anurag in my inner core. So now I have, manifesting or expressing this anurag towards my by my Pitambar. So Jeev Goswami Pad, he is described in the Kram Sambandh. This is all described very nicely. That why Krishna, he put on the Pitambar. When Krishna was disappeared from the Ras, and he again appeared from in the Ras among the gopis. So at that time when Krishna appeared, so seeing Krishna, Sukdev Goswami was so much angry. He was so much angry that time. He said sorry, and he is abusing to Krishna. You have come in the dynasty of Surya and Kshatriya. Why? How your heart is so much hard? It's like a stone. If you are Nandanandan in the Vaishya dynasty, so you won't be so much hard. And Krishna has a beautiful smile who can attract the Kamdev himself. So Krishna has a beautiful form. And how Krishna appeared? Just like offender before amongst the gopis. So maybe his Pitambar fall down somewhere. That's why Krishna is thinking. He is thinking that how can I appear myself amongst the gopi who has sacrificed their everything just because of me. So how can I appear? I'm offender. How can I appear amongst the gopis? Because those gopis who are totally surrendered unto me. So how can I be appeared? So that's why Krishna is thinking himself, I'm offender, biggest offender. And that's why he is praying for forgiveness before the gopis. That's why he is holding his Pitambar very tightly, just like an offender. So just taking the Pitambar, Jeev Goswami Pad had described many things. Why he is taking the Pitambar, holding the Pitambar. What is the significance of Pitambar? What he told is very nice. It is described in Bhajan Rasya, very nice. I am not saying myself anything. It is mentioned in the Bhajan Rasya. Everything is described, one point, every pointed. So when he is put on the Pitambar, Krishna himself is saying, your Anurag, Prem, Preeti, whatever I had in my heart, inner core, so it is expressing in the form of Pitambar. So where should I go to leave you? So there are many examples is given. Gopi asks the questions, what is the meaning of love? So Priyajan, the lover, never gives the suffering to the beloved. So that's why gopis are asking, why have you given us so much suffering? If you love us, why you have disappeared from the Ras? So why you are suffering us after disappearing from the Ras? Please come to the point. So the lawyer always used to do, they always increase the date. So they want that if the case will go on, so we will get so much money. This is the thinking of the lawyers or the advocate. So in the same way, gopis are saying, hey Krishna, come to the point, straightforward. Why you have given suffering to us? So Krishna is saying very nice, beautiful katha. So they are describing about two gopis. One is Nitya Siddha, another is Sadhan
और
Siddha.
ये होता है कि साधन सिद्धा गोपियां उन लोग की लक्ष्य करके कृष्ण ये
So
बात करते
targeting both of them, Krishna is giving two example.
आप लोग भाई ये कृष्ण के चरण चिन्ह है
Hey gopis, you are saying that this is a footprints of Krishna. I can prove that.
तो हमें इतने तरफने लगे
No.
मैं पर नहीं
I was there, but you were so much suffering my separation. That's why you were not able to see me.
तुम छुप क्यों गए ये बताओ कृष्ण
Gopi is saying, why you have hide yourself?
भाई आप लोग के प्रेम को मैं
So Krishna said, no, I didn't hide myself. Actually, I was watching your love. That how much love you have towards me. That's I was watching.
मिलन के समय
At the time of meeting,
दिखाई नहीं पड़ता
you cannot see that love.
आप इसे समझो
You can understand
जब
maybe.
कोई प्रीति होता है
When once somebody has the love towards someone, so they meet with the body, but their mind goes here and there. But at the separation time,
मन इतने तन्मय हो जाता
their mind is so much observes their beloved.
प्रकार हो जाता है
They have so much concentration towards one pointed towards their beloved. So nothing they can see in the separation mode.
तो ये वो से कारण देखो अनुराग की बात है
So that's why Krishna is saying, I'm telling you about affection, the love I have towards you.
आप लोग के देखो प्रेम रस तब असर होता है जब वो प्रेम परिपक्व होता है
So anybody can relish that love when it is matured.
तो एक सुंदर उदाहरण भी दिया
So Krishna has given a beautiful example.
साधन सिद्धा गोपियों की एक उदाहरण दिया
He is giving the example of Sadhan Siddha and Nitya Siddha.
एक उदाहरण दिया
So he is giving example to both.
जो उदाहरण दिया वो उच्च स्तर के
So Radha and other gopis, he given the example. It is very high level example. It is really hard to understand.
चलो साधन
You cannot digest that. So whatever the example he has given to the Sadhan Siddha gopis, just because of a lesson, he would like to give a lesson to them.
कहने लगे देखो एक उदाहरण दिया
Krishna said, I am just giving you one example.
व्यक्ति सुंदर एक आम की गुठली मिला
There was a person who had a beautiful mango tree.
और उन्होंने जैसे वो आम के गुठली को लगाया जमीन
So he got a mango seeds and he put into the mud, and that seeds become growing up.
पानी कैसे उसी चारों तरफ घेरा लगा
So just for the safety point of view, that gardener puts boundaries around that trees.
देखो
Maybe somebody cannot destroy that.
एक साल के बाद
So after 1 or 2 years, the trees of mango is growing up. After 2-3 years, what he saw,
थोड़ा छोटा क्या हो गया
there is a little bit
उसको मंजरिया कहा
flowers or manjaris was coming from the tree.
देख करके
After some time, what happened? Dandavad, Jai Ho.
उस समय माली के हृदय में इतने आनंद आ गया
So at that time, Mali, that gardener has so much
एक फलदार वृक्ष है
affection towards that,
क्योंकि उस वृक्ष होता है वो फल नहीं देता ना
because there are some trees which don't give. Om Vishnu Pada Stotra Shri Bhakti Vedanta Shila Madhava Maharaj ki jai.
दो चार फूल आते हैं देखो प्रसन्न
So what happened? There are some flowers came from the tree. So he was little bit happy. But after some time, what happened? There was so much rain. So all the flowers destroyed.
देखो वो माली
But that gardener was not disappointed. And then what happened? So he was expecting for new flowers, and he waited for 3 years. So after some time, what happens? That all the mango trees become with the flowers, and with that.
सारे फूल मानस निकले दो चार मानस फल लगा
So after some time, what happened? When the trees was full of flowers, all the flowers fall down, and there are only 2-3 flowers left in the tree.
छोड़ करके नहीं लेकर के चले
So he was thinking that, oh, there is only 2-3 fruits on the tree.
आपके पेड़ के नीचे
So he was staying under the tree of that mango tree, and he put his bed and everything there. He was staying there.
देखते देखते
And what happened? After some time, that the mango become mature, ripe.
बहुत सुंदर कथा है
So in short, I am telling this is very nice story.
देखा क्या
When he saw there is a one mango which has become matured and its color becomes red, so it has ripened.
हो गया और कितने समय
When that mango ripen, so it becomes yellow. After that, what happened? There was Sukh Pakshi came, and that mango fall down.
देखो उस आम को क्या ने किया कि धो धा के ठाकुर जी को भोग
So
लगाया
he washed that mango and put offer to the Thakurji, and he accepted as a form of prasad. And he said, oh, beautiful. And he was thinking,
8-10 जो आम जो लगा
so there are 8 or 10 mangoes in the tree,
पकने वाले
so they are going to mature, going to ripe.
करके ना
maybe someone can steal it.
वो बिजली में वो होता है क्या बोले
uh,
बुला पड़ता है क्या होता है बोले बिजली होता है
sometimes when rain comes, so ice comes from the ice cubes comes from the rain. So he was thinking he has taken all the mangoes and put somewhere for giving them heat, for making them ripe. So when all the mango matured or ripe, so he offered to Thakurji and given the fruits prasad to everybody. So Krishna is saying here, so you have love and affection towards me. So I was just judging that. I was watching by hiding myself, that if you don't have this kind of love and if it is not mature, so how can I accept that? So that's why what Krishna did. So seeing the separation mode, he is increasing that love and matured that love. When it becomes matured, so then he relished that. This is the thing. So in this way, Krishna told this katha to gopis. So you are saying it is a separation. You are thinking that I have given you suffering, I have given you the pain, but actually I haven't given you the pain. Somebody is seeing that Vaishnava is suffering. Actually he is not suffering. He is so much pleasure insidely. So by the separation fire, that increases the love. So without the vipralam, without the separation, love cannot be matured. So that's why vipralam, the separation always increases and the mature the love, and so that love becomes very sweet. So what is that love? What is that viraha? Viraha is the mature, always mature the love. Just like you put the cloth in the saffron colors, so that cloths become with the saffron color. But again and again you put that cloth into the saffron color, so it will be so dark. In the same way, the separation always increases and mature the love. If you say like, if the separation is so much higher, no, separation is not so much higher. Milanus is higher. There are beautiful views are there Veda and Milan. So that separation always increases the love. If you say that separation is so much higher, so we can always relish the separation mode. No, actually it's not like that. Why? That Vera, that separation is kinds of thing who always dance on the meeting mode, on the separation, on the meeting, Milan. That's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, what he showed to the living entities, he showed that how you should be in Viraha mode, the separation mode. So now we are coming to the Katha. So the gopis who are Manjari Bhav, they have so much. Actually, there is no service in the separation. So if Radhaji is suffering so much in the separation mode, so in then his Sakhi will come to Radhaji and make up her. She will combing her hair. No. But it will happen in the meeting mode. So this is the speciality in meeting. There is a service mode. Service tendency is there. And in the separation mode, there is no service tendency. So separation always increases the love. But that love you can relish in the meeting mode. That's the conclusion. So according to the Drishti of Sadhak, what happens in the separation? Vira is just like a heat, just like Sona. You just take gold. What? So there are something mixed up with the gold. There are something mixed up with the gold. So what you have to do if you want to take out this mixing up, so you have to heat that gold, not only one time, 100 times you have to heat it up. So whatever the mixing,
खाद जो है
whatever the khad or copper, whatever inside the gold, that will come out, and the pure gold will be there.
प्योर सोना निकल सकता है। इसलिए महाप्रभु
Nitai Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol.
क्या दिखाया?
So
विरह की
Mahaprabhu showed the Viraya mode in this living to the living entities.
कौन विरह में कर सकता है जब तक समुद्र ज्ञान नहीं।
So sadhak are suffering in the separation mode because they don't have sambandha gyan. Everything depends on the sambandha gyan.
त्रिविक्रम महाराज
Srila Trivikram Maharaj, there is a story of Trivikram Maharaj.
अच्छा बताओ
Okay, tell me one thing. Krishna,
इसलिए आप खूब पृथ्वीराज प्रेम रहा।
you have so much love towards Krishna.
अच्छा होता कृष्ण मर गया
If Krishna mar gaya, if somebody said that Krishna has died,
तो बात मरा।
so something happened to you? Nothing happened.
कृष्ण बीमार हो गए।
Krishna is suffering from disease.
कृष्ण बीमार हो गए।
If I say Krishna is suffering from disease, so something happened to you? Nothing happened because you don't have the sambandha gyan.
और देखो
And
तारकापुरी में यही से लीला दिखाया।
so Krishna showed this Leela into Dwarikapuri.
नारद ऋषि ब्रज में जाकर के इतना ही कहते
Nara Rishi went to the Braj and said, Krishna is suffering, he has had a headache and he is suffering from fever.
कैसे जाएगा?
So how his fever will go away?
यदि कोई भक्त
If some devotee give the dust of his feet.
तारका में कोई एक देना
So nobody gave the dust of his feet into the Dwarika. Nara Rishi told to everyone, even he told to Mahishya, hey Mahishi, please give your feet of the dust of the feet,
अपने चरम धूलि कोई
because Krishna is suffering. So Mahishya said, no, we won't give you. If we give you, then we will go to hell. But Nara Rishi, when he went to Vraj in Vrindavan, where we are sitting right now, so he just said before the gopis, hey gopis, Krishna is suffering. He is suffering from fever. He has headache.
ठीक है। अरे कैसे पता? बोले उनके बुखार है।
Oh, he is suffering from fever. So when the gopis heard this,
मेरे लिए कोई काम नहीं करे।
gopis heard,
कौन सा दवाई चाहिए?
so what you need now?
फिर नारद ऋषि
So Nara Rishi said,
इस दवाई के लिए
I need your dust of the feet.
चरम धूल के लिए।
So gopis said, oh, take. As much as you want, you take.
देखो सारे ब्रज में क्या कहते हैं?
All the Vraj gopiyas,
अरे सब लोग ये अपने चरण के धूल कर।
they have given the dust of their feet. Go and take. We will go to hell. We don't worry about that. But for the Krishna's pleasure and Krishna's love, if we go to hell, we don't worry about that.
मोरे यदि दिया बाल होई मां सही रूप मोह
Sukh.
देखो गोपियों की तौर पे सारे गोपियां नहीं कहती।
So what all the gopis did? They have given the dust of their feet,
और नारद ऋषि प्रसन्न।
and Nara Rishi was so happy.
गोपियों के धूल क्या है? नारद जी बोले मेरा सौभाग्य है।
So
धूल के लिए तरफ
So Nara Rishi said, I am so much fortunate because Uddhav was so much, suffering for this feet of the dust of the feet, and now Nara Rishi gave that dust to the Krishna,
में डाल दिया।
and they have put it all the dust in the one kund
तारका में
in the Dwarika.
कुंड कहा जाता है।
So that is their kuld.
गोपी तालाब कहा जाता है।
So there is a Gopi Talav.
हम लोग जो चरण
So whatever the dust we put on our feet, this is from the Dwarika.
गोपियों की
Dwarika. This is why we are calling this Gopi Raj, Gopi Chandan. That's why we call it Gopi Chandan.
गौरी वैष्णव विशेष करके भक्ति सिद्धांत से प्रभुपाद के लाइन जो आए
So who have come in the lineage of Gopi Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Path, we are not putting the Radha Kund dust, Gopi's Chandan. We always put our head the Gopi's dust. It is all coming from there, from Gujarat,
वैसे आके
Dwarika, and after coming from there, people are selling from market.
ये देखो कृष्ण के प्रति कितने
So
प्रेम स्थिति है।
for Krishna, gopis has so much love.
जिनका तो हम नरक में जाए।
So gopis never bother about that. If they go to hell, they don't worry.
अरे कोई भगवान की सेवा करे नरक में थोड़ी।
So if somebody is serving Bhagwan, so will he go to hell? No.
क्योंकि कृष्ण प्रेम
But they have the curiosity and loving affection towards Krishna.
कहने के बाध्य हो गया।
So Krishna was bound to say, "Na paru yaham nirvadyan vadyam."
श्यामा गुजरत श्रृंखला संबित प्रतिजातु साधना। कितना सुंदर और किसके लिए नहीं कहा?
No, for no other, Krishna didn't say. Krishna is saying, "Hey gopis, I am your debt."
गोपी प्रेम के द्वारा कृष्ण अपने में क्या करते हैं?
So just because of the love of the gopis, Krishna has sailed himself.
ऋण से कैसे मुक्त हूँ?
How can I be free from your debt? So there is a beautiful katha when Sanatana Goswami Pad is describing in the Brad Bhagavatam Granth. He has given the beautiful explanation there.
एक प्रियजन प्रियजन की कभी ऋण में नहीं रहा।
A priya, a lover and beloved never be in the debt of each other.
प्रेम उसकी है। प्रेम क्या किससे होता है? समता होता है।
Love is equal. Love is equal. Nobody have debt of each other.
आप भी बताओ,
Gopi is saying, hey Krishna, tell us
आप ऋण से कैसे
how you can be free from the debt.
कृष्णा ये पर भी कहा है,
Krishna is saying here,
ये ब्रह्मादि देवता के भांति इतने सुदीर्घ आयु प्राप्त करके
if I get the age of Brahma and I serve your feet, still I cannot be free from your debt. Krishna is saying, मुक्त नहीं हो सकता.
तो कैसे
So how can I free from debt, your debt?
प्रियजन इसमें सिद्धांत है।
So what is the principle here, the siddhanta here?
प्रिय प्रियजन से कभी अपने ऋण से नहीं जाते।
So Premi Premika, the lover and beloved never be, free from their debt.
दाता एक होता है किसी का,
One is giver, one is donor, one is taker.
देने वाला।
One is taker, one is donor.
तो कृष्ण यदि ऋणी हो
If
जाए,
Krishna is in debt,
उसमें प्रेम की समता नहीं होती
so there is no love. If Krishna,
बराबर होनी चाहिए।
because love is equal,
गरीब और धनी के साथ मित्रता नहीं हो सकता।
so the poor man cannot make a friendship with the rich person. The rich always make a friends in the rich, and poor always make the friends of poor.
परमार्थ दिखे।
So, but in the transcendental world, we have seen that
उधर कृष्ण पर दोगे ना,
otherwise, if Krishna make the friendship with the Sudama,
ये तो देखो
Sudama.
कैसी रीति होता है।
So there is a love, nature of love.
नियम है कि नहीं?
There is a rules of love. How can I be free from that debt?
साधु कृतम
Sadhadu Kritam.
यहाँ पर लगा है।
Sanatana Goswami Pad is saying here,
आप लोग के साधु व्यवहार है।
you gopis, you are sadhu.
साधु कृतम
Krishna is saying, hey gopis, you are sadhu.
वेद धारण करूंगा।
Oh, Krishna is saying that when I will get the form of sadhu, then I will be free from your debt.
साधु में सन्मान से धारण करेंगे।
Krishna is saying, I will get the form of sadhu and sannyasi, then I will be free from your debt. When I will be suffering in your separation,
तब जो है
then I will be free from your debt.
साधु बनना पड़ेगा, तो सन्यास लेना ही पड़ेगा।
So everybody has to take sannyas.
पेपर में करते हैं।
What they used to say.
सुंदर, सन्यास लेना ही पड़ेगा।
Everybody has to take sannyas.
बिना सन्यास से होगा।
Without sannyas, not possible.
आज इसलिए सन्यास की वर्णन है।
That's why there is a description of Govind Goswami Maharaj described about sannyas.
राधा जी के मान मनाने के लिए थक गया।
When Krishna was so much tired for breaking the man of the gopis, and he went to the Yamuna. He was so much tired.
वृंदा देवी आई।
And then Vrinda Devi came. Vrinda Devi said, okay, don't worry. I will meet you with Krishna, with Radha. What you have to do?
एक काम करो, मुझे गुरु मान लो।
Okay, do one thing. Make myself your guru. Krishna said, okay, now you are my guru. So what is the duty of the disciple? Okay, whatever I am saying, you have to follow that.
मुझे बताओ क्या करना है।
So now what I have to do? Vrinda Devi, please tell me.
कृष्ण तेरा है ना?
Because Krishna is three-handed, so Vrinda Devi said, first you have to be straight.
हाँ। अगर सीधा हो, हाँ तो सीधा हो गया।
So Krishna became straight.
तेरा मेरा मतलब बिल्कुल सीधा हो।
No in the zigzag, no three-handed form, just straight.
अच्छा, अभी क्या
Okay,
करना है?
now what I have to do?
एक काम कर,
Do one thing.
ये तुम्हारे सुंदर से
So you have curly hair.
घुंघराले बाल जो है, इसको सब क्या करो? काटो सब।
Clean that, shaved off.
हाँ भाई, जो ये होता है ना, देखो शास्त्र में कहते हैं, बंदा जो है वो पूछ के प्रति ज्यादा
Because monkey has so much love towards their tail. When you see tail.
आप देखना, हाँ बंदर के जब
When you see the monkey, so he always take care of his tail. You have seen maybe somewhere. So all the animals, maybe they have so much love.
आज जो लोग कहते हैं भाई ये सबसे क्या है, जो कहते हैं भाई बच्चों आप लोग
So people used to say, the Vaishnav, why have you shaved your head? So this is the reason, because most of the people have so much affection towards their hair. Vrinda Devi said, oh, first you have to shave off your head. So Krishna shaved off his head. Now what I have to do? Please tell me. So whatever the pitamba you put on, just keep off that, and put on the sannyasi wear, put on the saffron cloth. Yesterday I told you everybody has to take red cloth. Yeah, everybody has to be take on red cloth. Okay. Now, so okay, I will put on red cloth. Now what I have to do? So you have the black complexion. So just put on some kesar. So why the kesar, Vrinda Devi covered all the complexion of Krishna? Saffron, you know, saffron. So now, okay, done. Now what to do? Oh, now do one thing. Take one khanjini. Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, like that. Ting, 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 ting. And I'm telling you this. I'm telling you one kirtan. Do that kirtan. No, don't do Hare Krishna and nothing. What is that kirtan? राधे तुम्हारे कृष्ण से राधे तुम्हारे प्रेम से कृष्ण ने आज संन्यास ले लिया. It is English meaning Radhe, just because of your love, Krishna taken sannyas. Hey Radhe, now Krishna has become sannyasi. He has taken initiation. Now Krishna is playing the khanjani and he is doing the kirtan. Radhe, I have taken the initiation just because of your love. And he was doing this kirtan, observing the bhav, and he was performing the kirtan. Now he has become Gaurang. Now what happened? Lalita Vichama got to know, oh, he is not any other person. He is Krishna. Maybe you have put on so much clothes, but whatever the fragrance you have body, someone can recognize you. Everybody has a different fragrance of his body. Everybody has a different fragrance of his body. It is mentioned in the Chaitanya Charitamrita. Lalita Vishama got to know, oh, he is the cheater, he is the Krishna, he is the black. And now he has covered himself in the saffron thing. So when he was doing this kirtan, hey Radhe, in your separation, the Krishna has become sannyasi. So he was doing the Krishna, and door to door he is begging. And Radhaji was hearing this katha, and she was not able to stop herself. So just because of me, Krishna is begging door to door. Oh my God! At that time, Radhaji by her mouth, so Radhaji doing the kirtan of the 8th shloka of the Shishtashtak. So Gaur Govind Goswami Maharaj is saying the 8th shloka of Shishtashtak, Radhaji reciting herself. It is manifested by the Mukharvind of Srimati Radhika Rani. Aha. Maybe he's lumpat, he's cheater. Just because of me and before me, he is doing the love and affection towards everybody. He is embracing me, or he rubbed me by his feet. Radhaji is saying like this. If he give the darshan to me or not. Maybe he is lumpat. Lumpat. Who is lumpat? Who is the stupid nonsense rascal? If even before me, if he is embracing and doing the loving affair with the other ladies, still he is my Pranath. How Radhaji is saying, aha. So this is the 8th shlok of the Shishtashtak. This is the last definition of love. And Radhaji started crying, and Radhaji couldn't stop herself. when seeing this kinds of cryness of Radhaji, Lalita and Vishaka got to know that what I have to do now. When the Thakurji, when that Krishna who got the sannyasi form and begging door to door, just because of taking bath Radhaji. So if you want to take the Radhaji, if you want to get the Radhaji, so you have to be sannyasi. So you have to take the Gopi mantra. You have to take the Gopi mantra.
ये देखो कहने लगे तब तक राधा जी के साथ क्या करने लगे सन्यासी ठाकुर कीर्तन करने।
So Sannathi Thakur, when he was doing the performing the kirta, so Lalita Vishaka said, "Oh, please come here." So he said, "No, I won't. I am a sannyasi. I don't want to talk with the ladies." So you are the kirtan you are performing. It's very nice. I would like to. The Lalita Vishaka said, "I would like to hear that kirtan." So Krishna said, "No, I don't want to. I want to tell you. I don't want to." So Lalita Vishaka said, "Dekho, our Shakhi is so much suffering in pain, and you are the sadhu." So he said, "I am not the sadhu." Hey, sadhu don't see anybody's palm. Gurudev was so much ruling. Sannyasi and Brahmachari, they don't see the hand of ladies. Today I told Vishwamitra, he did the hard austerities, and Menika came, and when he rings her bangles, and when Vishwamitra Rishi opened his eye, and he was just, and he saw the beautiful form of the Menika, and just he gone away. He gone. So I told you about the Shakuntala story in the morning, where she got Menika and Vishwamitra. So Shakuntala got the birth in the womb of Menika. Maybe different color, kalpa, different kata. So that's why Gurudev used to say, a brahmachari and sannyasi never see the palm of any ladies. Don't be astrologer. Krishna said, the sannyasi said, Krishna sannyasi said, "I don't want to do this work." So now what to do? Now, so the Sakhi said that he is a Trikhalak sannyasi. He knows past, future and present. So he can see your face and can tell you that what is the reason behind, why she is suffering. So Radhaji said, no, I don't want to see my face to anyone, because Radhaji is one pointed toward Krishna. Leaving Krishna, she cannot embrace and she cannot see his face to anybody. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada given a beautiful example. Many times we used to go Petagaon. There is the same katha as there. So some gopis saw the Krishna's 4 arms form, so they do the Dandavat Pranam and march forward. And when Radhaji came, Krishna put their 2 arms into the stomach. So that's why it is called Petha. So just because of the fragrance of the Radhaji, Krishna was not able to keep their 4 hands form. So he kept their 2 eyes into his stomach. So the gopis who are searching Krishna the gopis who are searching Krishna not taking the shelter of Radhaji, so they cannot get the Krishna. They will take the Vishnu, but who are following the Radha, so they will take the 2 arms form darshan, 2 arms darshan of Krishna. So that's why if you want to get Krishna, so you have to take the shelter of Srimati Radhika Rani. So without Radhika Rani, you cannot get the Krishna. So that's why my Gurudev Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, he used to kirtan. Amika Radhika Pakkhapati Sada. I am always in the side of Radhika Rani. So whatever you are performing the bhajan, so you have to take the shelter of Srimati Radhika Rani. So under the guidance of Radhani,
आगे चल कर नहीं,
So you have to follow the Radharani. It means,
हम दौड़ करके चले जाए
so if we march forward and we cross the Radharani and we'll get Krishna, no, it's not possible. So if you will go cross the Radharani, you will get the four arms of Krishna. It means you will get the Vishnu. So Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, he has written very articles, very nice. Actually, Tattva Siddhanta is very nice. Until we won't get the shelter of Srimati Radhika Rani, till then we cannot get Krishna. Now we are coming to the Katha. So Lalita Vishakha was so much praising to Radharani. This is not an ordinary sannyasi. If you were just one moment, you will give your face darshan of your face, so all your separation will go away. So Radhaji said. So again and again, when Lalita Shakhi was telling to Radharani, so Radharani said, okay, no problem. So Krishna came, the sannyasi. So sannyasi Thakur came. When Radhaji for a moment, she opened her dupatta, she opened her face, like with she uncovered her face. Okay, so when Sannyasi Thakur took the darshan of Srimati Radhika Rani, so the sannyasi form go away, and Krishna sannyasi got the form of Krishna, and all the Sakhis, Jaya Radha Krishna Yugal, so all the sannyasi, all the Sakhis offering Aarti. So what is my mean to say? So everybody has to take the sannyas. So the same Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, or Mahaprabhu is Krishna. So there is no difference between both of them. Because some people used to say, I'm little bit saying to you, some people used to say, what did they say? So there is no Rupa Goswami in the Rupa Manjari, but Rupa Manjari is inside the Rupa Goswami. People used to say like that. This is the wrong philosophy. This is wrong. Tell me, it is true? You tell. Whatever the Pandits are saying, it's okay. But what's your views? That's why I have given the example of Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad has own form. Yes. When you heard the story of Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, so when Vishwanath Chakravarti, when he was performing the Parikrama of Vrindavan every day, so at the time some Sayaji and Babaji, they came to kill Vishwanath. Marne ke liye, they came to kill Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. Because Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, he was preaching the Parkya Bhav. So that's why Babaji was so much upset. So they made a plan to kill the Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. So when he was doing Parikrama, so they were hiding himself. And they come on the way and they try to kill him. So what happened? At that time there is a beautiful lady appeared there. So who was that lady? So he was the Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. And that people asking, hey Lali, have you seen that old man here? So she said, no, he has gone somewhere. So they said, no. She smiled, hey, he has gone away. So he was the Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. So it means we have destroyed the philosophy of that person who was saying that there is no Rupa Manjari in Rupa Manjari Rupa Goswami. They have the eternal form. Their Swarup is eternal. This is all the philosophy they have showed. So what are the Pandit are saying? So let them say. But actually, this is true. This is the philosophy that everybody has. At the Leela time, they manifested the form. Mahaprabhu, and there is a Mahaprabhu in the Krishna, Krishna in the Mahaprabhu. So Radha Krishna is one form. Leeladat Asvasita Daridoi Roop. That's why Sanatana Goswami Pad is saying, who is first, Krishna and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? One Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then he became two from Radha and Krishna. And Radha and Krishna, they mix up and became Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This Leela is going on. Maybe you can think, you just think yourself. So we have heard from the Gurudev this thing. Who is Advaita Jnana Paratattva? He is the same Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. There is a shlok is there. Brahma Upanishadam. So in that shloka is clarified everything. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is the Krishna. He is the mix-up form of Radha and Krishna. And the same Radha and Krishna, and he manifests in the form of Mahaprabhu. So these all kinds of vichar we have seen, we have showed. So you have to be sadhu. And who is sadhu? Sadhu means sannyasi. So you have to take the sannyas. Until you won't take the sannyas, how you can get Radharani? So in the sannyas mantra you will give the gopi bhav. No, I'm not talking more. And until you won't get the gopi bhav, how you can get Krishna? So you have to take the shelter of the gopis. Until you won't get the gopi bhav. So why the Purusha bhav, why the male feeling you cannot serve Radharani? Maybe you have body, gents or lady, but you need the bhav, that is bhav is gopi bhav. And not only by the gopi bhav, then you will have to get the gopi body, gopi form. And there are many things you have to do. Dandakaranya rishis, thousand years they chanted the Gopal month, then they got the Siddhi. And then seeing the Ramchandra, they chased him. Ramchandra said, look, in this Leela I am one man only, one woman man, because I have taken this vow. Because I have taken the vow that I will be only one woman man. So now I cannot accept you. But according to my Yog Maya, I will came in the form of Krishna and Dwapar. So all you are welcome there. You come, you take the birth in the gopi form, and you take the gopi form and take the association of the Nitya Siddha gopis. So now the one thing is noticed here that all they have siddha in the mantra, but still they had to associate with the Nitya Siddha gopis in the Dwapar. So you have to think about that. For taking the shelter of the Radhika Rani, the Dasi is the designation of being a Dasi of Radhika Rani. You have to associate with the Nitya Siddha gopis. Maybe you have the gopi form, still it is not possible. You have to get the association of the Nitya Siddha. And after getting the association of the Nitya Siddha gopi, if it is Ras Leela Pravesh, so if you are not matured after association of Nitya Siddha gopis, so Yog Maya will not allow to give the entrance card in the Ras Leela. This is the main thing also. If you want to take the mango, so you have to take chosa am, so that mango must be ripened. When it becomes very soft, then you will juice that. Then little bit cut from the teeth and then take it. Gurudev used to give this example. So whatever we take, we always take. We eat. We always sometimes we take out. But the seeds, the gutli of the mango, Whenever we take, we always use it. Aha, licking it again and again.
भजन की ये दिखा है। राधा दर्शन इतने सहज थोड़ी हो जाएगा।
So it is not easy to take the Radha Dasyam. So you have to do so much hard austerity.
और फिर मालिनी कैसे कैसे होता है? बहुत कुछ वर्णन है इसकी।
There are many things described there.
प्रेम की परिपक्व दशा जब तक नहीं हो,
When the love is not matured,
फिर भाव सिद्धि,
so it's not possible. Sadhan Siddhi, Bhav Siddhi, Bhajan Siddhi, many Siddhis are there, Vastu Siddhi.
प्रेम की परिपक्व तब जो है, तब कृष्ण भगवान के द्वारा तब
Then by the Yog Maya, Krishna will lead you to Vrindavan. And when you will get the Vrindavan, Golok Vrindavan, you will get so much kinds of teachings also there. You will have to take 5 kinds of Siksha, 5 kinds of scriptures you have to read. I am not saying, there is a shlok.
कितना सुंदर करना करनी सकिना स्तुति प्रक्रिया कुंज प्रयाणी निशी प्रतिबंधकम और क्या है वज्राक्ष गुरु गुरु क्या गुरु नाम गौरी गण पक्षते ऐसे नहीं होगा बुरी बुरी
It is not possible. You have to take the 5 lesson, 5 subjects lesson. So Gurudev told this in one katha about the 5 lesson of the gopis. Maybe you have to take the admission in the gopis school. So I am telling the true katha. It is mentioned in the Bhagavatam. So if somebody is fat person, so they cannot perform the dance in the Ras Leela. So that's why you have to maintain your figure. So the slim gopi only can enter in the Ras Leela. So don't become so much fat. Okay, only slim can go there. So if some gopis is moti, some gopis are slim. No moti gopi, no fat gopi, only slim trim. 24, 36, 26, like 24, 36, 24, like this. So all the gopis has to be very pretty, not too much aged. Everybody has to young. And the person, the gopi who has child, they cannot enter. So no, everybody has to be, no child there. In the Srimad Bhagavatam, Ras Panchadhyay, very nicely described there. गोपी हम तो कहते हैं गोपी बन जाए वृंदावन में रह करके गोपी बन जाए नाच में वो लगा दे क्या करेगा. So we have seen that so many gopis in the Vrindavan, they are putting a nose ring and bangles and putting sari, and they say, oh, I'm gopi. They sing like this. क्या बोले इस ग्रंथ के पढ़ो राधा रस सुधा उसको भी पढ़नी भी नहीं होगा, आगे ग्रंथ भी पढ़ना पड़ेगा. So राधा रस सुधा निधि. So after that you have to read many granths. You have to read the Rup Goswami Pad Granth, Ujjal Nirmadi. Which Granth? And not only Rup Goswami Pad Granth. It's not possible. Whose Granth you have to read? Raghunath Goswami's Granth. So all the Granths you have to read. And then it's not complete then. Then you have to read the study of the Granth of Vishwanath Chakravarti. Very nice. And in the time Narayan will come, then I will say, oh, Narayan, please take me to Vaikuntha. I don't go. I'm not saying. He is not saying. I'm saying. So you have to read the Prem Bhakti Chandrika. So you have to study the Bhakti Vinod Thakur Granth. Narottam Das Thakur, Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Your Guru Pad Padma Granth always used to say like that. He has so much affection, he was imposing or what is in giving intense to read the Granth of Bhakti Vinod Thakur because he is the Ananga Manjiri. So there is beautiful. He has beautiful kirtan.
ये समस्त ग्रंथ है।
So,
भक्ति की ग्रंथ जब तक नहीं हम
Until you won't read the Granth of the Bhaktivinoda Thakur,
भाव
you cannot go
सुंदर
to Vrindavan.
है, तब जाकर के कहीं
Then-
थोड़ी सी भाव प्राप्त होता
Then you will get a little bhav.
है। ये समस्त दिखा है कैसे सुंदर ये समस्त।
So this is a process. This is a process. It's showed. This is the process of love.
हमारी कथा प्रसंग जिदा प्रबोधानंद और प्रकाशानंद।
So the katha we were discussing about Prabhupada and Prakashanand.
एक मायावादी और कहाँ?
One is Mayavadi or
राधा कृष्ण की
another one is
कल सरकार की
who was serving the Radha Krishna, the Yugal Sarkar. He is the Tunga Vidya Sakhi.
अष्टसखी में
In the amongst 8 Sakhi, he is Tunga Vidya Sakhi.
सप्तम है ये, सप्तम नाम है
Saptam, 7th Sakhi, Tunga Vidya.
सुदेवी होगा ना?
Ashtam name is Sudevi.
तुंग विद्या है यहाँ पर देखो कितनी सुंदर।
So there are beautiful Sakhis are there.
एक एक कला में
All the Sakhis is so much experts in one art.
ऐसे सखियों के पास आपको जाना पड़ेगा।
So you have to go these Sakhis and you have to learn. So what our Bhaktivinoda Thakur is doing the Kirtan. Paladasi Kari Lalita Sundari Hamare Laiya Kabe. So you have to learn from those Sakhis. You go to Lalita Sakhi, Vishaka Sakhi, and you have to take the education from all Sakhis. Then you have to go to Rup Manjir, Rati Manjir, everywhere you have to go and learn. Then you will become expert. Then you can enter. What happened when you have to show your art there? So whatever the description is there, so whatever you have learned, you have to show. Kala means the arts. So the person who used to say Ras is a bad thing, no, it's a sexual thing. No, it's not. Ras is not any sexual things. Ras always, this is a joyful moments. They always used to present their Nitya Kala, the dancing arts. It is mentioned in the Brahmavata Purana. For seeing that things, Devta always appeared and take the darshan of that things. So there are many kalas and they have to present there in the Ras. How many person have, what kind of kala they have, the arts they have to perform that. So there is singing arts, dancing art, tragic kala, singing, Gana. Torjik means 3. Singing, dancing and playing instrument. Singing, dancing and playing instrument. This is called Tarajik. Tarajik means 3. 3 kinds of art they have to show in the Ras Leela. So we have somewhere heard, we have heard somewhere from here and there that they are kissing and embracing each other. No, it's not like. If your mother is kissing her child, so what happened there? If a mother doesn't embrace her child, so it's stupid and nonsense thing. No, we have our bad wisdom. We have our wise is bad. There's so much impurity in our mind. That's why we are thinking like that. There is no kinds of calm vikar. We have so much calm vikar in our mind. That's why we are thinking like that. But in the transcendental world, there is so much love is there. It's really hard to understand. How we can clean our heart. Vrindavan. Until your heart is not pure, you can take the darshan of Vrindavan Leela. So by the mercy of Rup Raghunath, our heart will be pure. Then, in your clean heart, all the Leelas will be manifested. Okay? That's why serve the Guru Vaishnava.
आदि श्रवण करते करते
Always heard,
24 घंटे मंत्र जो है
always heard the katha and always serve yourself.
कीर्तन से मिलेगा।
Naam seva, Kirtan seva, Granth Adhyan.
चिंतन करने की समय नहीं रहेगा।
Just remember all these things.
आपके समय रहेगा, आप बताओ।
If you don't have enough time to, if you will engage yourself in this kinds of service, if you engage yourself in that kinds of, so there will be no empty mind.
लगे रहते
So I love the environment of this Rup Sanatan Vrindavan. I'm not saying many matras are performing good, but here the sannyasi and brahmacharis are performing their self, engaging their self in many kinds of things. Shravan Kirtanam,
हरिनाम करो,
chant the holy name, do the kirtan, learn the shlokas.
स्मरण करो, है? और प्रेमा
Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bo. Jai Ho. Nitai Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bo.